a video on my update so far and what I've done in my hair, and this is just a text relax video. This is 13 weeks, so I relaxed my hair in 13 weeks post relaxer, and so far it's been good. I'll show you the pictures of the difference between when I started and now. So what I did to relax it, well, obviously what you need is a relaxer. So I used Dark and Lovely No Lie Relaxer. Dark and Lovely No Lie Relaxer. And this is normal. And I got the regular one. And you can also use ORS as well. They also have a good relaxer. Then I got, you probably need olive oil. So mine is a Goya olive oil, and it's make sure it's extra virgin olive oil. So that's what I use to mix my conditioner and relaxer. And you need your normal deep conditioner, which is the Elasta QP DPR 11. So how to text relax the hair is, what I did was to mix them together. So just put probably like a teaspoon of conditioner and olive oil into your relaxer kit. So you know your relaxer comes normally with the activator and the relaxer. So you put all of them together and then use the stick to mix them up. So I divided my hair into 3 partitions when doing it, and obviously rubbed oil around my, like the sides of my face, my scalp and my ears. This is to avoid from hotting and stuff or burning. And then obviously put the relaxer on my hair. The essence is not to ensure that the relaxer stays on for too long, so you just want to put it on the scalp, not on your hair, but on your scalp, and just let it sit. So by the time you don't need to comb it, so if you want to comb, just comb with the hair, not the scalp, and then put it on the scalp. So I let it sit for not long, literally by the time I finished the back, I was feeling the heat, so literally 5 minutes or 10. And the essence of text relaxing is you don't want the relaxer to relax your hair dead straight. You just want it to relax it, but not relax it, but just to make it soft and fluffy. And unfortunately, I did a video, but I can't find it. I ended up deleting it by mistake, so I had to redo this one. So once you do that, and I washed my hair, but you have to use the shampoo that comes with the relaxer, which is like the activator shampoo, and it helps to wash the relaxer properly. So you make sure you use that one and not your normal shampoo. So you make sure you use that one, and when you use that one, you use it and wash the hair, making sure that the relaxer, the lather has changed from pink to white. That's how you know the relaxer has gone out. So I did it probably about roughly 3 times just to try and get the relaxer off my hair. And once I've done that, then I used my normal shampoo, which is the olive oil and mango and butter shampoo. So this is my shampoo, which is the Elasta QP olive oil mango butter shampoo. Obviously shampoo my hair, just to shampoo it again, just to give you that moisture and texture that obviously that other shampoo would have taken off. And then when I was done, I just probably used treatment in my hair. So I used this it's a Shea Butter Strength and Glow treatment. I'll probably put the pictures below. Which is this one, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength. And I used it on my hair, so I put that on my hair, and then my deep conditioner, put it in a cup. You know, you can either put it in a cup and sit on the dryer for 15 minutes, or you have to leave it for a minimum of 1 hour. So I did that and then washed it off. And once you wash it off, you have to oil your hair with your normal Jamaican castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever you use, and then straighten the hair, making sure you use a heat defense. My heat defense is a Tresemme one, and I use this to spray on the hair before obviously using the heat. So I use that, and these are the pictures of my hair now. It's really grown, and I can see improvement in length. I still obviously need to do more trims on the ends. So I said I was going to stay 16 weeks, but I got bored, so I stayed 13 weeks. So hopefully in this round, I'm going to try and push it as much as possible. Maybe 15 weeks this time. Just need to think of styles to do. Currently now, I'm doing the protective styles, which is like a blonde. So that's it. So obviously I can't take it away, but this is how the front is at the moment. If I can take it over, that's how the front is, and you see pictures of the hair and the finished version. So this I did over the weekend, so this is probably my first week post relaxer. In terms of what I've learned from this is maybe probably trying not to leave the relaxer for too long, because while I was doing it, and the relaxer was probably relaxing faster than I could obviously control. So maybe next time I'm going to be as quick as possible just to get it on my scalp. But so far so good. I think it's really good for you to keep on with the consistency. So I advise whoever wants to start this journey that you be consistent in terms of your regimen of what you're doing. If you're going to be doing your weekly regimen, which is normally you wash your hair every week and then you use the oil spray. I did that every single week. I didn't miss one day or 1 week. So I had that regimen and it really showed improvement. Although there's a lot of dead ends I need to trim, but that's it, because I could feel the length. And make sure that you put your hair in protective styles or way, which is like a bun or weaves or braids or whatever. Making sure that whatever style you do is manipulative, that you can easily move it around, you know, stuff like that. So if you want to try it, if you want to start your hair journey, you're thinking about it, then obviously this is something that you need to think about the consistency and how you're going to manage your time, because obviously it's time consuming, but it's really worth it, and you have to be patient. It's going to take time to grow. Hair doesn't grow overnight. You just have to be patient and be consistent with your regimen. You see results. So I know I have my hair in the bun now. Probably next video I'll probably do a video of how my hair looks on a normal day, you know, but it's in the bun. I just came back from work, so I kind of better. But that's it. I do love the way it looks now, and I'm probably going to wear my natural hair more often so that I can get to treat it more. So if you enjoyed this video, obviously just a quick video, just an update. It's nothing special or anything. It's not. I don't have any products, but I'll probably put pictures after this video so you can see where I was before or where my hair is now. So if you like this video, don't forget to obviously subscribe to my channel, and you can also watch my other videos on my video manager just to see where I started from, the products that I used, and what you need to do going forward. But I'm gonna try to keep doing more videos, but I like to space it out just to kind of have an overview of what I'm doing and give myself some spice so that you could actually see the growth. But if I have any new information, I won't forget to share. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments below if you have any comments, or if you don't want to leave your comments, you can always send me an email. All right, it's me. Bye.